What I'm about to say sounds insane. If you eat 5 eggs every day for 30 days, your body will shift in ways most people spend years chasing with supplements, diets, and medication. That's 150 eggs in 1 month. Your doctor would probably panic. Your friends would say you're destroying your heart. But the data tells a very different story. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what happens to your body, your brain, and your blood chemistry, week by week, when you do this correctly. Let's address the elephant in the room. Eggs are a cholesterol bomb. We've been told this for decades. But large population studies following hundreds of thousands of people have found that regular egg consumption is not associated with higher heart attack risk. And in some cases, egg eaters actually showed lower mortality rates. So the problem isn't eggs. The problem is context. Because eggs aren't junk food. They're biological hardware. But before day 1 even starts, there's a mistake that can completely cancel the results. If you buy the wrong eggs, this experiment fails. Cage-free and free-range sound nice, but they're mostly marketing. What you want is pasture-raised eggs. These hens actually live outdoors, which changes the nutrient profile of the yolk. That deep orange color, that's higher omega-3s, vitamin D, and antioxidants. You can't fake that with factory feed. Now, let's start the clock. By day 3 or 4, something strange happens. The constant urge to snack disappears. The 3 p.m. energy crash fades. Sugar cravings calm down. This isn't discipline, it's chemistry. 5 eggs give you about 350 to 400 calories, but they come packed with complete protein, fat, and micronutrients your body actually recognizes. Most people eat enough calories, but their cells are starving. Eggs barely spike blood sugar, which keeps insulin stable. Stable insulin tells your body, we're safe. We don't need emergency energy. That's when fat burning becomes accessible again. You might not see massive scale changes yet, but energy becomes steady instead of chaotic. Your metabolism stops panicking. Week 2 shifts from your stomach to your brain. Eggs are the top food source of choline, a nutrient most people don't get enough of. Choline is used to make acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter for focus, memory, learning speed. Ever read the same paragraph 3 times? Walk into a room and forget why. That's often a choline issue. 5 eggs provide 600 to 700 milligrams per day, enough for many people to notice brain fog lifting. At the same time, DHA from the yolk integrates into brain cell membranes. Your brain is mostly fat, and quality fat matters. Many people report clearer thinking, calmer mood, faster reactions. You're not just feeding energy, you're supporting brain structure. Now protein quality starts to matter. Not all protein is equal. Egg protein has one of the highest biological values of any food, meaning a larger percentage is actually used to build and repair human tissue. Protein powders? Much of it gets burned as fuel. Whole eggs? More gets turned into muscle, organs, and enzymes. And here's the key detail most people miss. The yolk matters. Fat slows digestion, buffers insulin, and helps amino acids get used for repair, not stored or wasted. By week 3, recovery improves. Muscle retention increases. Fat loss becomes noticeable. This is why eggs quietly outperform many fitness diets. This is when people start warning you. That's too much cholesterol. But your liver already makes 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of cholesterol every day. Dietary cholesterol doesn't break the system, it signals it. Cholesterol is also the raw material for testosterone, estrogen, cortisol, progesterone. When intake improves, hormone production often becomes more efficient. Many people notice better energy, improved recovery, stronger libido, more stable mood. LDL isn't just good or bad. Particle size matters, and whole foods tend to shift LDL toward less risky forms. You can destroy these benefits in minutes. High heat oxidizes cholesterol and damages nutrients. Best methods: soft-boiled, poached, over easy. If scrambling, low heat, butter, constant stirring. Remove while still glossy. Creamy eggs preserve nutrition. Rubbery eggs don't. After 30 days, you didn't just eat eggs. You stabilized insulin, supported brain chemistry, improved nutrient density, gave your hormones raw materials. This isn't a crash diet. It's a biological reset. Food isn't just calories. It's information. And eggs send a powerful signal. Repair, build, stabilize. If this helped you understand your body better, hit like and subscribe. It helps more people see this. And tell me in the comments. Team soft-boiled or team scrambled? Frying pan with egg. I'll see you in the next one.